Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. A follow-up on that Lionel 8040 that arrived from eBay, $5. And I bought it basically as a challenge. In the ad it said, track tested, did nothing. So in any case, took it out of the box. It actually powered up, ran forward and reverse. But I discovered there was 3 broken teeth on the intermediate gear. So, major undertaking. Had to pull the motor out of the shell, pull the wheels off, pull the front bearing off of the armature, swap out that gear, reassemble it. The thing is, $5 and this thing is running just absolutely perfectly, as you see. So probably about an hour of my time. But as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. $5 for this. Even if you can't get it running, you've got a locomotive full of parts. You can't buy the rear truck for $5 on eBay. So in any case, a few minutes work, it's up and running. As you see, it looks almost new. Both the markers are intact. Running really, really well. You couldn't ask it to run any better than this. Anyway, that's pulling 14 cars at about 40% power. And I didn't have to change that gear. It ran, it just chattered. And that gear was very likely broken because it ran so poorly forward and backwards. So I don't know why they said it didn't run unless they had it set in neutral. But in any case, a quick change of that gear, and this, as you see, this motor is running just absolutely perfectly. You couldn't ask it to run better than that. $5 on eBay. Like I said, about, I don't know, 45 minutes, an hour of my time to swap that out. But as you see, it's running just absolutely splendidly. So anyway, I just want to do a follow-up video. $5 on eBay. Don't overlook the junk. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.